We start with the two light and dark bands resembling stripes they do. Sarcomeres in units with Z lines between, and end is acting a really cool protein. Here we go with some other microfilaments, troponin and tropomyosin. They are very thin. Next is bigger, a little thick. It's called myosin, another protein that is thin. Cross bridges connect the thick and thin combination of actin myosin. Muscle contraction is the theory of sliding filaments. Don't be weary. Acetylcholine binds to receptors, channels open for the acceptors. Action potential is brought to the muscle, to the T-tubules. This ain't no hustle. Acetylcholinesterase breaks it down, so only one muscle action can get down. Calcium ions are released in flux to the sarcoplasm, happens in peace. Calcium ions like to bind to troponin all the time. On the actin microfilaments, exposure of the myosin binding sites. Myosin head has ATPase. We have a split. This ain't no race. ATP and energy are split, not for the free. Myosin head now likes to bind to binding sites with tropomyosin. Myosin actin cross bridges rotate towards center niches. This is a sarcomere, not a silly blow, called the power or the working stroke. ATP binds again to the protein of myosin. Detachment of the actin from that thick filament, myosin. If all is done, the levels fall of calcium ions in the sarcoplasm halls. Our old friends are moved back. Troponin, tropomyosin are cut some slack. Binding sites are blocked. Myosin is stopped. The theory is based on this axis, just like the muscle relaxes.